Hello and Namaste. I'm Rajesh Kaur, a certified anger yoga teacher and yoga therapist with a strong focus on alignment, breath work, and holistic health. I hold a master's degree in Ayurveda, Indian traditional medicine. I'm passionate about living a balanced life and I love spending my free time practicing yoga, experimenting with Ayurvedic cooking, and enjoying nature. These activities help me stay grounded and positive. I believe the practice of yoga is about overall well being and not just about getting physically flexible and fit. That's why there is a saying yoga is for everyone. We are using chair as a prop. It makes yoga practice safe, encouraging, available for all to get the best from this practice. So let's get started. Generally, I divide my class in 3 groups: warm up exercises, then the main focus of the class, and the cool down or savasana. So let's begin with warm exercises, which are also called in yogic language yogic shukshma vyam, also called body scan, where we are trying to scan our body today because every day we feel different in our own body. So in Sukshma Vyam we do exercises or small movements with the small joints to bring the juice in the joints and getting ourselves ready for the class. So lift your toes up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Then lift your heels up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Now flex your feet towards your shin. Flex, down, flex, bring them down, flex, down. Now lift your heels high up, come on the balls of your feet, down, come on the balls of your feet, down, come on the tip of your toes, down. One more time and down. Then lift your knees slightly up, then another, lift up, another, lift up, another, lift up, another. Then straighten your one leg, then the other. One more time. This time stretch your leg completely straight. Try to go more further. Then stretch your another leg. One more time. Right leg straight and then the left. Bring it back. Some movement with our arms. Bring your hands in front. Make the fist and just do some wrist movement. Roll them inside out. Inside out. Then outside in. Nice. Now bring your hands on your shoulders and roll your shoulders back. Big circle. Roll them back. Now roll them in front. Roll them in front. 2 more times. That's it. Now you bring your arms up. If you have shoulder injury, keep them down. Otherwise, bring them up and stretch your one arm up. Slightly stretch. Then left, right, left. Stretch up. Bring it up. Last time. Then bring your arms down. Now some neck movement. Bring your neck forward towards your chest. Then back, forward, back, forward, back, then side to side. Then let's roll our whole neck clockwise, then anti-clockwise. If you feel dizzy to do this movement, just do up down, and side to side. Okay, so these are the warm-up exercise. To start the poses, without leaning back, just bring yourself in the front of chair. So evenly sit on your sitting bone. When we do any yoga practice, foundation should be strong. Foundation is the part which is touching the earth. In this posture, see that feet are our foundation. At the same time as we are sitting on the chair, the sitting bone is also our foundation. So make our foundation strong. Feet are parallel to each other, hip width apart, wider if you want. Then press the four corners of your feet. Sit evenly on your sitting bone. Then press the palms of your hands into the seat of your chair. Press them down and extend through your trunk. Lift your trunk up. Broaden your collarbone. Roll your shoulders back. See that you are not leaning back or you are leaning forward. Another way to understand that, bring your hands on your pelvis. If you are leaning back, see where scooch in between, shoulders are round. If we are tilted forward, see that over arched my back, abdomen is spilling. So we need to correct it. Bring your belly button towards your spine to make it neutral. So this is the very basic posture. That's why spending time here. So make sure we maintain everything. Then some arm action. Bring your arms to the side. Reach through your fingers. Exhale, release. And breathe normally. Don't hold your breath. Bring your arms to the side. If you have any shoulder issue, keep your arms here. Otherwise, turn your palms. Inhale. Bring your arms overhead. But observe. In yoga, more than doing, observe yourself how we are feeling. Are we able to maintain belly button towards our spine? Is our trunk is extended? Is our foundation strong? Exhale, release. Take some breath. This time, bring your arms in front and observe. As you bring your arms in front, are we rolling our shoulders? If we are doing that, roll your shoulders, broaden your collarbone. Then inhale, bring your arms up. That's it. Exhale, release. Bring your arms down, press your palms, lift up, breathe. Bring your hands in front, interlock your fingers up to the web or do your optimal. And remember which index finger on upside. Then turn your palms in front, bring your hands and then bring your back side of palm on your head. Take a moment here. Bring your elbows slightly back, chest broad and trunk lifted. You can stay here or straighten your arms, palm facing up towards the ceiling. Breathe. Exhale, release. Bring your arms in front. Then change the interlock. Another index finger will come up. Turn your palms in front. Inhale, bring up. You can keep your hands on your head, elbows back, chest broad and trunk lifted. Inhale, reach up. Breathe. Exhale, release. Bring your hands on the seat chair and lift your trunk up. Next, straighten your one leg. Keep your one leg bent. Keep your hands on the front hip grip. Exhale, extend your trunk forward and upward. Make sure we don't round our back. Back is straight and up. Inhale, come up. Bring your leg back. Then straighten your another leg. Extend your trunk forward and upward. Chest broadened, sternum lifted. Inhale, come up. Bring your leg back. Let's make it slightly more challenging. Bring your arms up. Reach up, pull up. Then straighten your right leg. Exhale, extend your trunk forward. Keep your arms aligned with your ears. More extension in your spine. Inhale, come back. Release and breathe. Take some breath. Then straighten your another leg. Reach your arms up. Exhale, extend your trunk forward. Inhale, exhale, come back. Then do it with both legs. Straighten your both legs. Reach your arms up or keep your hands in hip crease. Extend your trunk forward. Breathe. Inhale. Exhale. Come back. Release. Take some breath. Now simple twist. Again, work on your foundation. Belly button towards your spine. Then exhale and bring your left hand on your right thigh. Right hand reaching behind on the seat chair. Exhale and turn. And see, focus as you turn your trunk. Don't give any tension to your neck. Your neck, just follow your trunk. Don't hold your breath. Breathe normally. Then inhale, come back. Take some breath. Now bring your right hand against your thigh or knee. Bring your left hand on the side chair. Exhale, turn your trunk towards the left. Breathe normally, no tension in your neck. Inhale, come back. See that when we practice, below our neck, whole body is active. Above neck, face completely relaxed. Now some side stretch. So widen your feet, at least widen than the chair leg. Then bring your right hand on your right thigh and reach your left arm up. Reach up. Exhale, release. Press your left hand, reach your right arm up. Exhale, release. To make it more challenging, see if you can bring your right forearm on your right thigh, reach your left arm up and bring it overhead. If it is too much for you, just repeat the previous action. Exhale, come up. Then press your left forearm, reach your right arm up and bring it overhead. Inhale, come up. Then bring your feet parallel. Take some breath here. Okay. Some hip mobility. So you can keep your hands on the hip crease or bring your right hand on the back side of your back bar of the chair and turn your feet how much you can. See that if you can turn at 90, but keep your left leg stable. Press your hand and lift up. Then bring it back. Take some breath. Another side, bring your left hand on the back side of your chair and turn your right foot. So see that externally turn your left thigh. Keep your right leg stable. Press your hand, lift up. Inhale, bring it back. Take some breath. Okay. Now some sitting postures. Make sure again, make your foundation stable first. Then we can simple cross leg on our shins or just on your ankles. So press on your shins, lift up. Then another side, because in yoga we never leave ourselves in asymmetry. So another side, crossed over and then come back. Now bring your right leg to the side, left look to the side and see how much wide you can go. It's not about how wider you go. See that if you are stable in your pelvis. Lift your trunk up. Then on exhale, turn towards your right. Bring your left hand on your right thigh. Press your right hand behind. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, turn. Breathe normally, no tension in your neck. Then inhale, come back. Take some breath, chest broad and trunk lifted. On an exhale, bring your right hand on your left thigh. Left hand on the chair, turn towards your left. Trunk lifted and breathe. Then inhale, come back. Support your thighs as you bring your one leg back and then the other. Take some breath. Now some back releasing or cool down. So lift your knee up, catch hold the back side of your knee and roll your shoulders back, chest lifted. Exhale, release. Another side, lift your left knee, catch hold the back side of your knee. Broaden your collarbone, shoulders away from your ears. Then exhale, release. Little bit more challenging. Lift your knee up. You can hold the back side of your knees or of your body allows. Catch hold the shin. Bring it slightly higher. Keep your trunk straight. Chest broadened. Exhale, release. Another side. Lift it. Catch hold the left shin. Bring your knee towards your chest. Chest broadened and lifted. Breathe. Then exhale, release. Bring it down. Now let's get ready ourselves for the last pose, which is Savasana or corpse pose. So just lean back yourself on the chair and let go your hands by the side, or you can keep your hands on your thighs. You can keep your legs bent. You can straighten them. Just completely relax and let go. Take a moment, look in front at your eye level, and then slowly and gently drop your upper eyelid to meet the lower one. Close your eyes. Savasana is the most difficult pose to attend. It's an art. We need to learn how to let go. This is the time we are giving our body time to regenerate, recuperate. So just let go. Soften your eyes. Soften the space between your brows. Soften your lips. Soften your throat. And just bring your attention towards your breath. Breath in and out. Then to come out, bring your feet closer. If they are straight, then bring your hands on the chair. You can hold the chair. Inhale, come up. Keep your eyes closed. And then join your palms together in front of your chest. Lift your chest. Then bow your head to the heart. Gratitude to this practice. Namaste. Thank you so much for joining me. Hope you enjoy the practice. Have a good day.